Experiment for today: 5,000 sparklers versus watermelon. Follow us. This should be fun. Hollow out the watermelon. Once the watermelon is hollowed out, bring the sparklers. Cut off their tails. Now we're going to see if 5,000 sparklers are capable of burning or destroying a watermelon. You better not try this at home. Why is nothing happening yet? Well, I guess 5,000 sparklers can't do a thing to destroy a watermelon. Yep, nothing at all. Let's just say we've seen bigger explosions. But hey, at least we learned that watermelons are pretty strong. Next, we're testing to see if a watermelon stuffed with sparklers can turn a toy truck into a jet truck. It can. Let's watch it again from another point of view. And it cracked. I guess you can destroy a watermelon with sparklers after all. Let's see. And another failed attempt. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.